Oh, she's blind. Trying to find her way. Well, she's been helped, I hope. Good morning, everybody. We're on the bicycle. We're in Paris. It is Tuesday, May 11th. And let's go. Let's see what's going on. I can cycle here, so that car really has to go out of the way. Hoppakee. Loving you. Oh. Yeah, you're being filmed. That taxi has to go on the... Sorry, I shouldn't say the F words. I will bleep that. I could have used the wide angle. That's okay. Interesting. It's not easy to cycle against all the traffic. Hi! Oh, I can cross. Well, when I cycle, I don't need to wear a mask. I'm still wearing a mask, but... No! I'm focused cycling. Hop, hop. I have no idea where I am. I think I went back the same way. Oh, oops. Damn it. Let's go left here. Hello, hello. So here we are with my pret, my coffee. I will just quickly show you how I ordered all this. So that's it. Easy. And here we go outside. My bike is parked next to the Starbucks. Can you see it? Let me zoom in. Wow. Huge zoom. Fantastic. So my bike is, you see the wheel maybe? Wow. So this is Avenue de l'Opéra. Look at those pretty buildings. I think we can put the center. And if you look from here, you can see some street invaders. Let me zoom in. All the way. Can you see them? Up there. Spider-Man! Wow. People are really getting ready to get out of lockdown in Paris, huh? This is a car you can drive. Well, I'm not sure if you need a driver's license for that car. But lots of workers there all building up their terraces, trying it out, because on the 19th of May, the terraces will reopen. And at the moment, it's going to be lunchtime. Oh. It is tracking me. Hi. Oh, it can only go this far. Hello, here we are. No, it lost me. Hi everybody. We are in Passage Choiseul. I'm still live streaming and I'm going to show you guys what is going on here in the Passage and what you can see. 2, 3, double click and boom. It's going to the other side. And then it's tiny, so then I can just film and show. So here we have a Korean restaurant. There is another restaurant. And then it just follows whatever I'm showing. And then if I want to show myself, look here, they do click and collect. Can you see it? Click and collect. Oh. And now it's filming me again. So we just do a quick walk up and down. And then basically I will upload the video later to YouTube. And then you guys can see in a stable way what this place looks like. For example, Jeune Pousse. It's all avocados. Hi, he's waving. And here they do fresh pâtes. They're all waving. Hi. It's like, I feel really popular. Yeah, you can go live, Stacey, but I haven't totally figured it out yet. And also, it can save and everything, but I just need to practice more with that. So for now, this is the best quality I can get. So friendly, yeah, and so like spy cam. It is such a spy cam. Look. Hello. Where you get that? At shop. That's where do you get it? Oh, centers. Hoppa. It's so lit. It's tiny because if you don't have this bottom part on it, it's only that little top part. It's really nothing. But more pasta. Interesting coat. Oh look, there's another like alley. Thank you. Yeah, so it is a nice little street. Oh, I see something cool there. Hold on. Yeah, it's a great area. And also look at the clock. I'm going to zoom into the clock. Hold on. Oh, wait. Look, also this little thing zooms in. You see? It also zooms in there. And basically, if I go through there, there's my metro station back home. Here, again, lobby and bubble tea. Oh, I should stay focused on my camera. Let me just stop this one.